2017 Ford Raptor, front differential seal. I'm gonna dive in and change it with you guys. This job you don't have to have it, but I think it's going to help a whole lot. I got this from Harbor Freight. It's a digital torque adapter, and the reason why I bought it is because it has tracing. So I just tested it on the Coyote charger, taking off one of the lugs. It took 79.6 foot-pounds to remove the torque, and underneath here, the rear diff, or the front differential, you have to measure the pinion nut as you take it off, the foot-pounds it took to take it off. And when you put it back on, you'll apply 5 additional foot-pounds to whatever your measurement is, and that's how you install it. Now that we're underneath here, with all the pans gone, you can see it's a pretty good leak coming from right there. We've got these 10mm bolts all the ways around. They're honestly not on there that hard. That's pretty easy, and this is just a little 1/4-inch driver. So, but I did mark it on the side, mark it on the side of the actual yoke itself. So now we're gonna get our measurement tool and hook it up to this, and we're gonna measure how much torque pounds it takes to remove that bolt. Once we take it out, we can replace the seal, clean this up, put it all back, torque it back down with 5 additional foot-pounds, and then put everything back together. All right, guys, I finally got some movement on it, even though this thing only goes up to 125 for accuracy, or I'm not sure if accuracy, limitations. It does measure beyond that. I took it up to 131.4. That's what it took to break free that nut. I just started getting some release from it. So we're gonna take it to 136.4 when we go back on. Good God. It's not hard, it's just hard underneath a vehicle on the ground. But other than that, this can very easily be done at home. Alright, the damn camera shut off right as I got the seal out, but it came out pretty easy. Ended up using, that's a small one, ended up using the bigger jaw puller, got this thing out perfectly. So that's what we're looking at now. Wide open. I did take out the crush washer here, or this, it's like just a washer. I think it's called a crush washer, I'm not sure, but it literally just goes right back on in there. There's the old seal, there's the new one. Kind of waiting for this to drain out some because it's still coming out. That way I can do a proper clean on it. So it's actually the next day here. It's a little bit colder than it was yesterday, but the Sun Biscuits at Ford sold me the wrong part. You can see that. So to make do, I had to go to O'Reilly's and get theirs. It's got a 3-year warranty, so at least it's better than the 1-year warranty through Ford. Not my ideal, but at least it's good for 3 years. Success. Check it, feels about the same as it did yesterday. So just got done taking it for a test drive, got it up to 50 miles an hour, just in time before the sleet started to hit. Everything seems to be good. There's no whining, no pinching or anything, so I think it's a successful job, well done. So thank you guys for watching. Appreciate all the love and support. If you guys enjoy this content, consider sticking around to Smashing Punk Fan, my channel, because I'm going to be doing a lot more work to this truck as it develops a few more incremental issues just like this. I mean, high mileage stuff's bound to go wrong with it, but I love and appreciate every single one of you guys for being here. Thank you for sticking around. If you have any comments or suggestions on stuff you want to see fixed on your 2017 Ford Raptor, definitely drop it down below. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.